Hello, I'm Dr. Elena Diaz. Let's talk about the story our skin tells. As we gather more years and more wisdom, our skin starts to show a map of our lives. A little laugh line here, a wisdom wrinkle there. But for many of us, especially after 60, that map also includes unwelcome visitors. Those brown spots on our hands, face, and chest, often called age spots, liver spots, or sunspots. Now, the title of this video is very intriguing. Mix 1 drop of this with vinegar and age spots disappear. It sounds like a secret potion your grandmother might have passed down. And if you're here hoping I'll show you how to mix a salad dressing for your face, I must be very clear from a medical standpoint. Please do not do that. Applying raw vinegar and other kitchen ingredients to your skin can be unpredictable and can cause irritation, burns, and even make dark spots worse. But the idea behind that title, the concept of combining a gentle acidic element with a powerful, targeted drop, is incredibly smart. It's the very foundation of modern, effective skincare. Today, we're not going to make a kitchen concoction. We're going to build a powerful, 2-part skincare system inspired by that idea, using safe, scientifically proven ingredients that deliver real results. Part 1. The Vinegar Principle. The science of gentle exfoliation. First, let's understand our target. Those brown spots are simply clusters of melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. They are a result of years of sun exposure. To fade them, we first need to gently lift away the pigmented skin cells on the surface. This is where the vinegar principle comes in. Home remedies talk about vinegar because it's an acid, but a much safer and more effective approach is to use cosmetic acids specifically designed for the skin. The heroes here are called Alpha-Hydroxy Acids, or AHAs. The science. Think of your dead skin cells as old tiles on a floor, held together by a sort of glue. AHAs, like glycolic acid, work by gently dissolving that glue. This allows the old, discolored skin cells to shed, revealing the newer, more evenly toned skin underneath. It's a gentle, controlled exfoliation that brightens the entire complexion. A gentler cousin, for those with more sensitive skin, lactic acid, is another type of AHA that works in a similar way, but is often better tolerated. So, the vinegar, in our modern safe potion, is not from your pantry. It is a well-formulated AHA toner or serum. This is the first step clearing the way. Part 2. The One Magic Drop. The Power of Cellular Renewal. Now that we're clearing away the old pigmented cells, we need to address the root of the problem from below. We need to encourage our skin to produce new, healthier cells and to stop overproducing pigment. This is where our one magic drop comes in. This drop represents one of the most studied and celebrated ingredients in all of dermatology, retinol. The science. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. It's a powerful cell-communicating ingredient. Think of it as a coach for your skin cells. It gets deep into the skin and encourages your cells to behave like their younger, healthier versions. It speeds up cellular turnover, pushing fresh cells to the surface. Crucially, it also helps to inhibit the enzyme responsible for melanin production, which helps prevent new spots from forming. The golden rule of retinol. Retinol is powerful, so it must be introduced with respect. Start with a low concentration and use it only 2 or 3 nights a week at first. Allow your skin to adapt before increasing the frequency. A little bit of initial dryness or flaking can be normal, but always listen to your skin. When you combine the surface-level exfoliating action of AHAs with the deep cellular renewal of retinol, you create a powerful synergy that targets dark spots from both above and below. Part 3. The Unsung Hero, the shield that makes it all work. I cannot overstate the importance of this next part. You can use the most expensive AHAs and the most powerful retinols, but if you neglect this one step, you are completely wasting your time and money. In fact, you could be making things worse. That step is sunscreen. Think about it. What caused the dark spots in the first place? The sun. AHAs and retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. If you are working hard to fade spots at night, but then expose your skin to unprotected sun during the day, you are simply creating new spots. It's like trying to mop a floor while someone walks around with muddy boots. The rule is non-negotiable. You must wear a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, rain or shine, even if you're just sitting by a window. This is the shield that protects your investment and prevents new damage. Conclusion: the real potion is a smart routine. So, what is the real secret to making age spots disappear? It's not a magic potion you mix in a bowl. It is a smart, consistent skincare routine. Let's put our system together into a simple weekly plan. Every morning: 1. Gentle cleanser. 2. Moisturizer. 3. Sunscreen your shield. In the evening, alternating nights. 1. Gentle cleanser. 2. Night A. Apply your AHA serum, the Vinegar Principle. 3. Night B. Apply your retinol serum, the 1 drop. 4. Follow with a good moisturizer. By alternating nights, you get the benefits of both powerful ingredients without overwhelming your skin. The 1 drop of this with vinegar is a clever metaphor for a powerful truth: a gentle exfoliating acid, combined with a powerful cell-renewing ingredient, all protected by a daily shield of sunscreen, is the scientifically proven way to achieve brighter, clearer, and more youthful-looking skin at any age. My challenge to you is simple and foundational. This week, commit to the most important step. Wear your sunscreen every single day. Will you accept the challenge? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this clear, science-based explanation valuable, please give this video a like and share it. And please subscribe for more honest, no-hype advice on how to age with health, beauty, and confidence. I'm Dr. Elena Diaz. Thank you for your time. Be well.